What's good, YouTube? In this video we'll be taking a look at how to fix missing messages or missing text in iMessages or messages on the iPhone 13. This will work for the iPhone 13 and most versions of the newer iPhones as well. If you like this kind of content, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you find yourself missing some text that you might remember sending and you aren't able to find them in messages, there might be a quick and easy way of fixing this. What you want to do is head over to your settings. From there, you want to scroll down until you see messages. This is usually under phone and above FaceTime. From messages, you want to hit messages, and then you want to scroll down, and then sometimes this feature is turned on. So what you want to look for is message history and keep messages, and by default it's toggled to forever, but if you've by chance changed it, or if an app has changed it to either 30 days or 1 year, your iPhone will begin to delete messages in your text that are beyond this time period. So if you find yourself missing text beyond 30 days, this might be the quick fix to do so. So there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to fix messages missing on your iPhone for the iPhone 13 and iOS. If you like this kind of content, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.